the bubble's almost in the center, but a little on this side.
Well, we're going to put on the inside or outside of the post. Like that.
Yeah.
You know, on a day like this is a neat day to get out and do something nice for somebody. We get to work with some of our friends and neighbors. There you go. But on a day like that, you give of yourself. You sacrifice comfort as well as your time, and it's very meaningful.
Yeah, no kidding. That way you show the church and your dad will tell you, well, that's not bad.
There's one carrying a 2x right now. I see him.